Hey yarn lovers, it's Lisa and Dimpner, and here at CSQ I'm so excited to finally launch our Christmas crochet box offer.
Yes, if you've been looking at them but you haven't been ready to subscribe, but you just want to have a go at one of them, this is your chance. Try, love and maybe subscribe.
Okay, so the box offer we're going to do is right now you can grab any of our past boxes for $44.95 instead of $49.95. So that's a £5 off, and you need to put Try Love 5 at the checkout.
Each box comes with all the materials and patterns and video tutorials. It's got everything in that you need to create your gorgeous make. They make lovely Christmas boxes. Whether you're treating yourself or it's a surprise for a crafty friend or just dropping a little hint to somebody, well, these are the things. They are really, really good. So if somebody doesn't know what to buy, this is perfect.
Next is our cable collection. You can make this hat, a cowl, fingerless gloves, mittens, boot toppers, and even a headband. Imagine making all them with just this one ball of wool and all the instructions, a great prim ergonomic hook. You could even separate these and gift them out to different people. So cables collection, really easy, and the crochet.
Right, here we have the Chronicle Scarf and the hat as well, again with a lovely pom-pom, huge pom-pom, and it's brilliant. It's lovely and soft. You start off with this square and then you've got 7 different sections. You even learn a little bit of Tunisian crochet. It's this gorgeous yarn and our prim hooks. We always go for the prim hooks because they're fabulous. This is the warmest, comfiest, beautiful scarf ever.
Okay, next up is the Bandito bag. It's bright, it's fun, it's circular, and it's crochet. You start in the centre and you make this beautiful raised pattern with your stitches. It comes with recycled cotton yarn with this beautiful tones in there, and again the amazing prim ergonomic hook. I love this bag. Comes with a leather tassel for fastening and a strap.
Welcome to the Summer Stitch Story. This is beautiful. You make 8 different panels and then you join them together to make this enormous, huge blanket. It comes with 1.2 kilograms of yarn. It's the lovely DK, Stylecraft DK yarn, and you get your ergonomic hook. And believe it or not, there's even enough yarn left over to make your own matching Summer Stitch Story cushion.
And this is our Poinsettia Wreath. You make individual flowers with wire. You've got some burlap where you're going to do some finger crochet on there. I even teach you how to make a handy little bow on this to make this stunning Christmas wreath for your door.
It's brilliant as this. You get all the yarn you need, you get the ribbon, you even get 10 meters of hessian, you get the ring, you get wire to make the edges of your flowers. Everything you need to make your very own.
A 3.5 mil hook on this one.
Yeah, the hook must together. Everything you need to make your very own Christmas poinsettia wreath.
Okay, so they have 5 beautiful crochet projects ready to choose from, all wrapped up in a box, ready for gifting. Treat yourself, treat somebody else.
So just head over to my website, pick your favourite and pop in the code Try Love 5. You'll get £5 off each box. Try it, love it, and who knows, you might just want to subscribe.
You will want to subscribe in
They
January.
Are brilliant. We've got great ones coming up in January.
And that January box will also give you £5 off your first subscription.
Yes, we certainly will.
Yeah.
Yes.
So enjoy, try, love, subscribe.